in the code, can we also output all the parameters, including model size, training time per epoch, average of validation loss, average of training loss, average of validation accuracy, and average of accuracy? We would like to eventually compare the output of our script to the original paper from several years ago. Yeah, we have to update this text. So essentially we'll be doing a write-up of everything it does. We have the model, we have the performance. No, it's not this one. We had it doing pretty well. Yeah, we had something like this. And the final performance of about 91, 95. I think we reached 95 at some stage. And we have the model itself. I don't know why it's so big. It's 74, almost 75 megabytes. The original model from the paper was just under 9 megabytes. So not sure what happened there. Yeah, I might be publishing just the whole code, including the parameters. Yeah, I might display the results in a similar fashion as this table in the paper.
To modify your code to output the detailed performance metrics, including average accuracy, average validation accuracy, average training loss, average validation loss, training time per epoch, and model size, you can make use of TensorFlow Keras callbacks, along with some custom code to calculate and print these metrics after training. Below is an example of how you can implement these changes. Python import OS import NumPy.
We'll see how we publish this stuff. Yeah, there's a few discrepancies between what we got and the results of the paper. You can also print out the current settings for the model and the output of the terminal we would like to save into a text file. No. No, we actually want to modify the code. Don't want it to be executed on the OpenAI web server or something. We need everything locally.